Kaunting kalaman sa kasulatan. Magandang araw po. Ang ating paksa na inihanda sa araw na ito ay hinggil po dito sa Revelation 7:13 na inaangkin ng Iglesia ni Cristo na sila di umano ang pinatungkulan. At base dito sa ating bababasa, ito po ay Pasugo, God's message na pag-aari ng Iglesia ni Cristo. Hindi naman maipagkakaila. Ano po? Tingnan po natin yung kanilang paliwanag. Paliwanag nila ho ito. Hindi ito sa kasulatan. Paliwanag nila ito. One of the biblical prophecies that were fulfilled in Brother Felix, Manalo, the man whom Church of Christ members recognize as God's messenger, pertains to the angel ascending from the east, as recorded in Revelation 7:2-3, which says, "After these things I saw four angels standing at the four corners of the earth, holding the four winds of the earth, that the wind should not blow on the earth, on the sea, or any tree. Then I saw another angel ascending from the east, having the seal of the living God, and he cried with a loud voice to the four angels, to whom it was granted to harm the earth and the sea, saying, Do not harm the earth, the sea, or the trees, till we have sealed the servants of our God on their foreheads." New King James Version. The prophesied angel is equivalent to messengers. Revelation 7:2-3 or YLT, Young Literal Translation. Related prophecies of the Bible regarding this messenger of God attest that he was called by God from the far east in the time called ends of the earth. Isaiah 41:9-10, 46:11, 43:5-6, New King James Version. The Philippines is in the Far East, Asia in the Philippines, page 169, World History. 445. The Bible mentions events that prove that time, ends of the earth, or the time when Christ's second advent is near, began in 1914. Matthew 24:33-6-8, Last Days Bible footnote. Thus, Brother Felix Manalo was the messenger of God, prophesied in Revelation 7:2-3, who registered the Iglesia ni Cristo, Church of Christ, with the government of the Philippines on July 27, 1914, concurrent to the outbreak of the First World War. In reference to the prophecy, others are confused. They think that since the wind symbolizes a war, they conclude that there could be a four wars because the verses say that the four angels were holding back to the four winds. The wind mentioned in this prophecy refers to a war as explained in another biblical passage. At the time it will be said to this people and to Jerusalem, a dry wind of the desolate heights blows in the wilderness toward the daughter of my people, not to fan or to cleanse, a wind too strong, for this will come for me. Now I will also speak judgments against them. O my soul, I am pained in my very heart. My heart make a noise in me. I cannot hold my peace, because you have heard, O my soul, the sound of the trumpet, the alarm of war. Jeremiah 4:11-12-19, New King James Version. However, the praise for winds in Revelation 7:1-3 does not denote four wars, but signifies that the news regarding this war would be made known to the four directions of the world. The four angels are standing at the four corners of the earth, the four corners representing the four directions, north, south, east, and west. Hence, this war is a global proportions. The war being prophesied involved nations of the world, as is written in related prophecy of prophet Isaiah. Come, people of all nations, gather around and listen. Let the whole earth and everyone living on it come here and listen. The Lord is angry with all the nation and all their armies. He has condemned them to destruction. Their corpses will not be buried, but will lie, the rooting and stinking in the mountains will be red with blood. Isaiah 34, 1-3, today English version. This global or world war is the four angels standing at the four corners of the earth would hold back. Thus, in fulfillment of this prophecy, a world war occurred, that the wind should not blow on the earth. Revelation 7:1 emphasizes ours. Not for different wars, history attests to this. The First World War was unlike any war in the past. This was the first war in 3 dimensions, the first war in which cities were bombed from the air and winged warriors to fought among the clouds. Of the course, the airplanes of 1914 were not so fast, so formidable, nor so numerous of those of today. They were really more important as scouts, a kind of aerial cavalry, photographing enemy movements from above than as a bomber. World History, Volume 2, page 478-479. This war officially broke out on July 27, 1914. The nation of war, a current history, thus only one world war, and not four different wars, was prophesied in Revelation 7:1. So ito po yung kanilang paliwanag. Pagka naman po yung paliwanag ng kasulatan lalabas, ito po ay hoax. Itong mga pinagsasabi ng Iglesia ni Cristo. Unang tanong, bakit hindi nila itinuloy yung Revelation hanggang 8? Bakit 7-3 lang? Bakit? Meron po bang malalaman ng tao? Bakit hindi nila ituloy? Dapat itinuloy nila yan para makita at maintindihan ng mga tao na walang kinalalaman ang Iglesia ni Cristo doon sa Revelation 7:1-8. Hindi po sila yan. At hindi rin si Felix Manalo yung binabanggit na anghel. Tama yung sinasabi nila na ang equivalent ng angel is messenger. Pastor ho kasi. Tama ho yan. Pero hindi si Felix Manalo. At yung mga binabanggit nilang mga talata, halimbawa katulad ng Isaiah 41:9, Gs 46:11, 43:5-6, ay may papapansin ako sa inyo kasi doon sa angel ascending from the east, eto naman ang nakalagay naman dito. Ang sabi ho dito, related prophecies at the Bible regarding this messenger of God attest that he was called by God from the far east. Wala ho yung far dito po. Yung sinasabi nila. So, medyo doon sa kanilang paliwanag, labo-labo na rin. Contradiction. Sila na yung nagpaliwanag, kinontra nila yung sarili nilang paliwanag. Naturalmente, na merong tinatawag na east at merong far east. Ayan. Ibig sabihin lamang, ito ay hoax o mga gawa-gawa lamang. Na tinangkilik, tinanggap ng maraming mga Pilipino. Puro halos kalimitan naman ang mga membro niyan, mga Pilipino. Mangilan-ngilan lamang naman ho dyan yung mga foreigner. Pero kalimitan yan, puro mga Pilipino. So, ibig sabihin lamang ho, itong kanilang sinabi sa Pasugo ay kontra sa sinasabi ng kasulatan. Tandaan po ninyo, kumuha man sila ng mga talata at ikapit doon sa kanila, lalabas at lalabas yung kasinungalingan na ginawa nila. Pakatandaan po natin na yung kasulatan, yun yung katotohanan. Yung Pasugo, ito ay gawa lamang nila. O kaya nga sasabihin natin, walang kinalalaman yung Revelation 7:1 to 8 sa Iglesia ni Cristo o kay Felix Manalo. Wala ho. Napakalaking kasinungalingan na kunin mo yung revelation at ikapit mo sa iyo at sa iyong samahan. At yan ang ginagawa ng napakaraming reliyon. Ano po? Hindi ho natin kinuha muna yung sinasabing paliwanag ng kasulatan. Ito po ay paliwanag nila na atin namang tinututulan sapagkat yung banggit mo lamang nung kasulatan ay hindi mo na kayang patunayan na si Felix Manalo yan yung anghel doon sa sinasabing sikatan ng araw. Kanila pa lamang ho ito, yung Pasugo pa lamang nila ito. Ayan, kaunting kaalaman sa kasulatan. Maraming pong salamat sa inyong lahat.